You tend to see in your spouse something you don't like. You're like, this is a problem. This individual has a problem here. Don't look at that problem. What do you should look at? What about the ocean of good that she has? The sister looks at what? The brother. She's like, oh, he does this, he doesn't do this for me, he doesn't have... What about all the other good that he has? لا يفرق مؤمن مؤمنة إن كره منها خلقا. If you dislike a particular trait of hers, رضي منها آخرة. What about the other things that she's good at, that no one has, or rarely other sisters possess? No one's perfect. Did you marry this person to be perfect? No? Actually, it's the imperfection of this person that makes them who they are. Sahih? This is who they are. This is what makes them who they are. You got to love them for that. The husband that you married, you know he's not going to be perfect. Is he going to be perfect? Abadan. That wasn't the aim. Were you trying to get married to a perfect husband? Then you got yourself in the wrong game. He's not meant to be perfect. He's going to have some mistakes and shortcomings. But you have to look at the other things that he's good at and that he has. So this is important. Focusing again on those things which are. So here Shaykh mentions 2 benefits from this hadith. What are the 2 benefits? So this is every relationship. Any relationship you have with a friend, a relationship that you have with a wife, anybody you're dealing with, you're going to see things are going to be like, oh, I don't like that. If you say, you know what, I don't like that, so you're going. Do you understand? Then no relationship will last. Because you have also your problems, right? So what is each person to have to do with the other person? Yeah? That's just a few mistakes, don't worry. What about the ocean? What about all the other things that we agree on and what we see eye to eye? Sah? If you live your life that I saw a mistake in you, so I'm leaving you, or you say that I saw in you mistakes, then no relationship will last. Sah? No relationship will last. Every relationship will be corrupt and destroyed. This hadith applies to everything. Look what he says, the Shaykh. Al-irshadu ila mu'amalati zawjah. So the first one is what? Hadith is telling us when you're dealing with the closest people to you, your wife, your children, your everybody, any relationships that you have. وَكُلُّ مَنْ بَيْنَكَ وَبَيْنَهُ عَلَاقَةٌ وَاتِّصَالٌ. Anyone you have relationship with, أَنَّهُ يَنْبَغِي أَنْ تُوَطِّلَ نَفْسَكَ عَلَى أَنَّهُ لَا بُدَّ أَنْ يَكُونَ فِيهِ عَيْبٌ أَوْ نَقْصٌ. You have to tell yourself that everybody's going to have deficiencies. Everyone. No one's perfect. Or they're going to have أَمْرٌ تَكْرَهُهُ, things which you dislike. Every single body. فَإِذَا وَجَدْتَ ذَلِكَ. If you do then find certain things that are like, ooh, these are bad things. فَقَارِنْ بَيْنَ هَذَا. Now you have to compare. Compare between what? فَقَارِنْ بَيْنَ هَذَا. This problem that you identified. وَبَيْنَ مَا يَجِبُ عَلَيْكَ. And that which is obligatory on you. أَوْ يَنْبَغِي لَكَ مِنْ قُوَّةِ الْاِتِّصَالِ. Look at and ponder on what the relationship that me and you have to have. And look at the mistake or the fault that you have identified. Now you have to think which one outweighs the other one. Is the mistake so big, so great, so it cannot be ignored, or is it something that is very small? If it is something that is smaller than what is the relationship and the things that, so you got a wife, you got kids, you're married, you've been married for a long, long time. There are mistakes on your side and there are also mistakes on her side. Look at the bigger picture, look at the children, look at everything. Take that all into consideration. Look at all the other things that you agree upon which are much more. Then what do? Turn a blind eye, sister, for the mistakes that he has here and there. And the brother does the same thing. The love is what you choose over. Think and ponder over the good that you guys have gone through. بِتَذَكُرِ مَا فِيهِ مِنَ الْمَحَاسِنِ. All the other good. وَالْمَقَاصِدِ الْخَاصَّةِ وَالْعَامَّةِ. You have to weigh all of those things. But what tends to happen when you're young is that you start looking at just the mistakes, the problems. This. Identify all the problems. What do? You identify all the problems. And then you say, I can't stay. Just because you identified a problem, it doesn't mean it means that you should leave. Does it? Does it? Identifying a problem just means that you've told me this person's a human being. You've just told me that they're a human being, that they do mistakes. And I'm sure that the same person can say the same thing about you. Same thing. No husband is perfect. And no wife is perfect. And no friend is perfect. And no sibling is perfect. Are we all together? Every single, but look at the big picture. Look at the ukhuwa and everything. وَبِهَذَا الْإِغْضَاءَ عَنِ الْمَسَاوِي. Then what you do is, when you look at the relationship and the bond between us is so big and strong, you cut off looking at these mistakes. وَمُلَاحَظَةِ الْمَحَاسِنِ. But you busy yourself looking at the good that's between us. وَتَدُومُ الصُّحْبَةِ. The friendship and the relationship will last. وَتَتِمُّ الرَّاحَةِ. And we're going to be happy with each other. If the wife only focuses on the mistakes, she goes, look, you don't do this for me, you don't do this for me, you don't do this for me, all the time. This is a problem. This will destroy the relationship. And if the husband keeps saying, you don't do this for me, you don't do this for me, you know my friend, yeah, his wife, she cooks a good biryani, yeah? And look at you, you can't make biryani, all you do is you make for me, Weetabix. Yeah? Do you understand now? Now this is just unnecessary. Looking at the mahasin is good, brothers.